Alright guys, sorry for the bad lighting. Today I'm going to make a video of this 52-inch or 44-inch walnut Breeze Keyport Ceiling Fan pendants. There's some, they probably haven't changed their bulbs. The renters are new here. Doing our annual checkup on the renters, because they said because they might renovate. They just renovated the kitchen here, and I'll give you a quick glimpse of it after. Does still make that motor humming noise. I can't go in the room with the Hunter Sonic, though. That room's locked. I like the hum, though. My aunt has one of these, too. I will go show the other two fans the park. There are three: Park Lake, Pawtucket, and Avia. Bye.